Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are learning about scopes. In previous video, we have covered about scope and global scope. Today we'll discuss about module scope. So let's jump into the code. So before that, what is mean by module? So see, when we are developing an application, we will have a different features, right? And we will have different purposes. Means whenever we have created any app components, each component will work for a different purpose, right? So when we have a lot of components, we will and those lot of components, if those lot of components working for a particular feature or particular purpose, we will keep all those files into one folder, right? So that folder will be called as module. So module can have a multiple components, so it can control all the components. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is um, here if we create a variable in that module, so the scope of a variable will be up to that module only. It won't available other than that module. So I will show you that. First of all, we in this project we have two files, right? Child.js and app.js. So I will make one app.js file as a module. So for that I have given type module. Now this app.js file will work as a module. So here I have declared one constant variable called module and I have given a string. So I'm expecting it should work as a module scope. So that module I'm printing from um, child.js file. Okay, see, line number 3 should need to print. See, line number 3 is not printing. Why? Because module is not defined. Means the app.js file is a module. In that module, we have declared that module variable. So that this module variable won't be available other than this app.js file. So the scope of this variable is this module only. That's why we are calling this as module scope. Okay. So we'll do one thing. Here in this child.js file, we'll declare temp data variable, a constant variable called temp data, and giving a string to that. So we'll try to print that from app.js module. So here I'm printing. I'm printing both. Okay, one is module scope, another one is temp data. This temp data should need to work as a global scope. That is our expectation. Okay, what is the line number? Line number 17. See, line number 17. In this line number 17, module data is printing and temp data is printing. Module data is coming from app.js module and temp data is coming from child.js file. This because this temp data is a global scope, but the module data is a module scope. Okay, that is the difference between the module scope and global scope. I hope you understood. Thank you.